Hey, this is Skylar with another tech tip of the day. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance reminder on a car where you can't go into the settings to do that. So let's take a look. Right now we're in a 2010 RX. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the auto trip button and I'm going to press it until I get to trip A. Then I'm gonna long press on this while I'm shutting the car off. Keep holding down on it and I'm gonna double press the start button on the car, and I'm still holding on to the auto trip, and zeros, let go. Thank you for joining us for another tech tip of the day. If you have any questions, feel free to call the dealership and ask for me, Skylar. We also invite you to come home to Metro Lexus to see for yourself what experience amazing really means.
Come home to Metro Lexus and discover for yourself what experience amazing really means.